Hey there, Matthew Palumbo from AudioControl, and in today's video, we're taking care of the sound in this 2019 Toyota Tacoma. It's got the original factory speakers, and they are tired and weak. So we're gonna replace them with some great new speakers from the Altitude series of AudioControl. Now, to control noise and vibration, we're also gonna use some Stinger Roadkill sound treatment to make sure those door panels don't buzz or rattle. Stay tuned, let's dive right into the install. Alright, so we've got the top dash speakers completed. Now we're going to move on to replacing these tired old 6x9s in the door. So next step is to remove this factory door panel. Let's get busy. Take a look at this thing. This is the original Toyota speaker from 2019. Obviously pretty weak. And my favorite part is take a look at that micro magnet on the back. How this thing even made sound is beyond me. Alright guys, we got the speakers installed in the top dash. Those are the replacement 2 3/4 inch speakers, and we got the new 6x9 oval speakers installed in the factory door locations, as well as got a whole bunch of that Stinger Roadkill sound deadening mat installed in those doors to make sure we don't have any unwanted noise, resonance, or vibrations or rattles. So now that that's all done, car's put back together, well, let's take a listen to it, see how it sounds. Wow, what a difference. I mean, it's still powered by the original Toyota radio. It was just a speaker swap, but already, what a huge difference that is over those lame paper factory speakers. I mean, not only is it a little bit louder, but it's got so much more bass and clarity and just definition to it. It's got that sparkle that you just don't get from a low quality paper factory speaker. So I'd say this one is a success. Well, that's a wrap for this truck. On to the next. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.